What's up, guys? Welcome back to the workshop today, everybody. That's right, we're in the workshop again. And in this video, everybody, today I'm going to probably try to finally build a shelf. Because I tried to build one here, but instead I decided to just turn it into a deck. Because I made the cuts too thick. Could have made it smaller, but I didn't. But this time I'm going to actually try to build a shelf. For real this time, like with no doubt about it. So I don't want it to mess up again because I really wanted to make this into a shelf, but I decided to just turn it into a deck because I had deck boards left over. I still have a deck board, and I got new 2x4s, and we can cut them up and use it. So got our drill press. This is also new to the workshop. I got a brand new vacuum cleaner. Still got my jigsaw, nothing much. And yeah, the new 2x4s, and that's pretty much it. So the cool thing about this vacuum cleaner is I actually had this given to me for free at Home Depot because the code worker was like, here bro, you can have this because I don't need it anymore. And they gave me this for free. It was really nice of them to do that. And I use it for my saw. And the reason why I need that there is because sawdust. Because the sawdust is what causes the problems in the workshop. Like people can slip. I had to use it earlier to suck up some of it because there's sawdust everywhere. That's one rule about workshops, guys. You can't have sawdust everywhere because it won't end well. Alright. So here we are. Got the jigsaw. We got the hose attached to it. See, you actually just slide it right into there. I'll just take it out real quick. See? You just slide it right on in there. And it's a thing to catch it, and you can see I already used it already. And the vacuum cleaner works. See? Hold on. And it works. And then when I'm ready to cut, right there. Like, I'm actually going to show you a demonstration real quick of how awesome this is. So I just got to find piece of scrap. Here we go. I don't really need this anymore. This was for my deck. I might use it still, but I want to cut it shorter. So I have two of them. So here we are. I'm going to put you guys, actually, because you're around high machinery, I'm going to go put you guys right next to the drill press. Let's see. Perfect. Alright. Get this out of here. Move this out of the way. Alright, ready? Alright guys, now we got two. Look at that. Now this one kind of vibrates because it's more heavier. Listen to this. Unlike the other one. This one right here, not super strong. I'm also going to cut this one in half too. 3, 2, 1. Same thing, it was kind of hard. Smells like pine though. And what we can use these for now is we can use these as deck things. Like if I want to add another deck, I can definitely use these. So I'll just go right in that bin. Alright. So pretty cool with the vacuum cleaner. Right now there is a bit of sawdust everywhere, so I'm just going to take the vacuum out. And you just take the attachment off and just pop it right back in there. There we go. It's back in. And we can also use this vacuum cleaner when we're done drilling a hole. So we don't have to like dump it all over this. And I still gotta clean this up. The workshop's a bit of a mess because of all the wind that was blowing all over the place. So let's go do that real quick. Alright, let's do this. Enjoy this quick time lapse, guys. Yeah, enjoy this quick time lapse. Let's do it. Alright, so now you have to figure out where we want to build the shelf for real. This time we're building a shelf. I'm not trying. I want to get rid of this plastic shelf. It's already broken. So I gotta build a new one. I'm looking so hard to three of them. So I can probably use that whole 2x4 for the legs. That first one. The problem with that is I gotta move the vacuum over here. I'm gonna need that extension cord, which is up here. But yeah, we'll get to it. It's always one step at a time. Alright. Workshop cleaning day. Not a big thing, but they go my part already. And see, here's some deck board right here. Some scraps, which I don't know why I'm putting for the scrap bin, which I should have. Alright, and we still got wood here. Might use that for something good. Maybe for my toolbox I could use it, but the problem is it's already constructed to be done. Yeah. This is for inside. This is round. This is but instead, it's just like that. Alright. So, yeah, let's get started. So we're not gonna be hammering today, guys. We're just gonna be screwing. Measure, as always. And I'm missing a couple of things. I'm trying to double marker in there. Yeah. Eventually, I'll be just starting to use a pencil. I'm not trying to use a marker anymore. Because a marker you can't erase. Alright. Let's get at the same length. So I have to keep closing it. 26 inches and a half. 36 inches. That's gonna be our lens. So we're gonna use the whole 2x4. I need a ruler. I think that's what I'm gonna have to start using. A ruler, so I don't have to keep on. Bam! That is everything we're gonna need. Let me just show you guys real quick. Ooh. Now that's everything we need. This is almost everything we're gonna need for this project. So you're gonna need 2x4s, 2x4s, 2x4s. You're gonna need deck screws. You're gonna need a drill, and you're gonna need a leveler. So let's get started on building this thing. Where should I put you guys? Maybe underneath the deck to keep you guys out of the sun. Alright. This is where we're gonna do our first drill, right here. Yeah, that ain't gonna work because there's a groove right here, so we're gonna have to move it up a little bit more right here. This will give us a better look. So we got our first side done. Now, this is where we gotta make sure we're okay. This is where we gotta make sure we're balanced for our second 2x4. Oh yeah, that one's off. What about over here? Oh, sometimes I just wish things would jump out so much better without even having to add. Really? My measurement is still kind of there. And we keep it moving. This is our second bigger project we're doing. Alright. Now it's time to connect them. So now we're going to go move it back over here. I have so much editing to do. So much. It's going to take some time. I got the whole weekend though. I'm good. So this is upside down. This is the long part. This is the bottom. That's what it's going to look like when it's nice and all done. I'm only going to attach one. You don't need two. Here we are. Piece of tongue and groove floorboard to screw the board in. I don't know if I'm moving anymore. Okay, that ain't moving. Look at that, guys. It's got a bottom shelf now. We're pretty much done. put all my wood there now. We even start putting some of the bigger pieces here now. So now, guys, we got a deck, we got a shelf, and we got a desk. Alright, so we got our shelf done now. So, yeah, thumbs up, guys. That's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, everybody. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Sean Woods channel. And you'll never miss out on more videos like this one. See you guys.
2,000 years later.